Today I'm doing a fresh pink makeup look. This is also a no base makeup look, which means no foundation, no concealer, which I think is perfect for this season. I'm going to start off with this beautiful pink eyeshadow from the Glitter Galaxy Daydream palette. I'll apply this color on the outer crease area with this blending brush. So I'm going to focus on that area only, just to give it some depth, also because I like the way it looks when you sort of tilt your head. It kind of lifts your eyes as opposed to making them look droopy. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Just going to add more to deepen the color. Now I'm going to move on to my brows. Okay, I'm analyzing my brow situation right now because they aren't in the best shape here. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Innisfree. First, I'll use the spoolie part and just brush my brow hair in upward direction. I'll use this brunette shade from the pencil to fill in my brows. I'm making stroke-like motions to fill in the sparse areas, which sort of gives it the illusion of fuller brows. Honestly, I think I could have done a better job, definitely missed some areas, but hey, I think it's kind of hard to do it when you're filming. Again, using the spoolie to brush the hair and to ensure that the product is spread evenly. Now I'm using my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational one. I'm going to use curling motions just to sort of curl the lashes. You can't really tell the difference in this clip, but it definitely gives them a better lift. I'm going to focus on the lashes on the outer corner of the eye to give it that elongated cat eye look. Doing the same with the other eye. Whatever is left on the wand, I'm going to set my brows in place with it. This also gives them a more defined look when you coat them evenly. Moving on to my favorite part, which is lips. I'll use this shade Touch of Spice from Maybelline. I've noticed that this shade looks different on me each time I wear it. Sometimes it's more on the mauve side and sometimes it's more on the pink side, but I'm really glad today it looked more pink. I'm going to swirl some on my finger and pat it gently on the lips. This will give them a blotted look. Now to add a pop of bright pink color, I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam. I'll apply this in the center of my lips and just blend it. Now whatever is left on my finger, I'll just put it on my cheeks and try to smile when I do it. Sometimes I do the nose and chin as well. I'm doing a second layer of mascara because apparently one isn't enough. Okay, so with that I am done. I am loving this because you can see the natural skin. Though I don't have the best skin right now, but I feel we don't necessarily have to have foundation and concealer for every makeup look that we do. So with this, I hope that I've inspired someone to try a fun pink makeup look for this season. Bye bye.